Hey, it's Mama Moonstar, January 17th, 2022. Very early in the morning, the 2 o'clock in the morning hour. And in the Finger Lakes of New York, we've had quite the snowfall. There was barely an inch of snow all over out on our deck around 7 o'clock this evening, well, Sunday evening. And now at the 2 a.m. hour of Monday, there's over a foot of snow, and it's still coming down. Temps in the 20s Fahrenheit degrees. Looking out my front door, everything covered in snow caps. A funny light on the top of the video is reflection of our kitchen ceiling lamp, not a UFO. Thankful to have our wood stove burning bright tonight on this January snowy winter night.